Here in the questions, we will be given the length, the diagonal of the rectangle, and we will be required to find out the perimeter. For finding out the perimeter, we need to have two values, that is the length and breadth. But over here, we are not having the breadth of the rectangle. You can see I have made this rectangle ABCD with length 40, the diagonal, that is the line segment joining opposite vertices, as 41. We are yet to find out the breadth. Once we find out the breadth, we will be able to find out the perimeter. So, how to find out this breadth? As I discussed with you one of the properties, which was the Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property was valid only for the right angle triangles, and we are aware that a rectangle has all the angles equal to 90 degrees only. Therefore, we can apply that property for the triangle ADC. So, we will write over here, in triangle ADC, the hypotenuse square would be equal to the perpendicular square plus the base square. So, we will write perpendicular square plus the base square. Now, what is the hypotenuse in this case? The side opposite to 90 degrees is the hypotenuse, that is AC square. So, we write AC square will be equal to, what is the perpendicular? If you take this as the base, this is the perpendicular. You can take this as the base and take this as the perpendicular. I am taking AD as the perpendicular and DC as the base. So, we have AC's measurement already, that is 41. We have AD, no we do not, so we will write it as it is, and we have DC as 40. So, we have written down the values. Now, how to find this out? Simple, the way that we used to solve. What will be this? This will remain as it is. We will transpose this to the other side, that will become minus 40 whole square is equal to AD square. Now, we know that this is the algebraic expression property that we have done, A square minus B square. This can be simplified as A plus B into A minus B. So, we can apply it over here. We would get 41 plus 40 and 41 minus 40. That will be equal to AD square. Now, by adding them up, we get 81 multiplied with, you subtract them, you get 1 and you get AD square as this. So, 81 is equal to AD square, but we had to find out AD only, not AD square. So, how to get rid of this square? We take the square root to the other side, that is like this, and we get AD. So, now AD comes out to be, what is the square root of 81? Square root means which number multiplied 2 times gives this, that is 9, because we know 9 nines is 81. So, 9 comes out to be the breadth of this rectangle, that is 9 meters. So, you can write over here the breadth of the rectangle will be equal to 9 meters. As we are aware of the length already, length of rectangle has come out to be 40 meters already. So, we can find out the perimeter now. The perimeter for this rectangle would be equal to 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into length is 40 plus 9 is the breadth. So, we get 2 into 49, that is 2 nines is 18 and 1, 2 fours are 8 and 1, 9. 98 meter square as the perimeter, but I have made one mistake again over here. Can you identify that? Yes, the mistake is I have written down the wrong unit, because perimeter is the length of the boundary. So, never forget this, right? And never write the units in square for perimeter, because perimeter is the length only. So, the length will be coming in the normal units, that is centimeters, meters, as per the given value. So, that was the first question. Now, for the second question, let us start. For the second question, we have that there is a 15 meters long ladder over here, and we have a window which is 12 meters high. We have placed the ladder on the window such way, right? And we have to find out, okay, there is also given that it is at a distance of A. So, that means the distance from the wall, which is the place by the ladder, is A. So now we have to find out the distance of foot of the ladder from the wall, that is we have to find this value of A. So how is that done? We know that this is going to make a 90 degrees already, because the wall, obviously the window will be on the 90 degrees to the ground. So we will have this as the 90 degrees angle. That means this forms a right angle triangle, and for any right angle triangle we can apply the Pythagoras property. As per Pythagoras property, the hypotenuse square should be equal to the perpendicular square and base square added together. So here the 90 degrees opposite side, that is AC, is the hypotenuse. So I am directly going to write over here, in triangle ABC, we will simply write AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. As per this, AC is given to us as 15 square, AB is given as 12 square. We are to find BC, and BC's measurement is also given to us as A. So we write this as A square. So basically we have to find the value of A only. So on solving this, we would get 15 square, we transpose this to the other side, minus 12 square is equal to A square. So again applying this property that we have done, A square minus B square, which will be equal to A plus B and A minus B. Here we get 15 plus 12 multiplied with 15 minus 12, giving us A square. Now 15 plus 12 becomes 27 multiplied with 15 minus 12, that is 3. So we get this as A square. When you multiply this, you would get 3 7s as 21, 2 3 2s are 6, and 2 7 8. So you again get A square is equal to 81. How to get rid of square? You take square root of the other side, that gives you 9. So here you get the value of A to be 9, or you can say in the measurements 9 meters. So here you can write the distance of ladder from the foot of wall would be equal to 9 meters, such that it will be fixed in such a way.